Oh my god, it's been raining for 24 hours. And everything's already flooded. Look. Already flooded. All up there. Look at all this. Oh, I'm getting wet feet. Look at all this. I've already lost all my yabby nets. They're already all gone. This whole thing. Look, and it's all wet down there. Damn, 24 hours is all it took. We haven't had rain for a long time. Look at it all down in there. Well, that's got some nice fresh water in it. There's its water change. Hey. Oh yeah, it's the pipe. So, this is what I've got for today. I got no yabby nets, guys. They're all gone. There's one probably about there, and the other one's underneath the sticks. See, the tree goes in the water. Alright, thanks guys. It's wet as out here. Cold.